Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. It's a little chilly this morning. Got a strong kind of a southwest wind, which is really kind of weird. But we've had a cold week. We were down to 27 degrees yesterday. We were 34 this morning. It's kind of acting like it's more like February here in Texas, but it's supposed to warm up this weekend and then get cold again later on in the week. I wanted to give you an update on my raised bed garden, what I planted 3 weeks ago, and show you what's going on. Come check it out with me. Okay, we've gotten a couple inches of rain this week, which is exactly what we needed to get this stuff going. Here's my spinach coming up. Ooh-wee, I got 2 rows of this, and it is looking really good. As it comes up, I will thin it out a little bit more and get me some little bundles of it. Let's go check out my broccoli and my Brussels sprouts. Let's see, there's my Brussels sprouts, and I got me a row of these coming up. Look at there. And here is my broccoli. So again, we'll thin these out too as they start to come up. And here is my cabbage. We had pretty good luck with the cabbage in here last year, although it's a small area, so I got about 4 heads out of it, but that's plenty for us. Everything is looking good. So I did a second pass till last week on the big garden, getting it ready. And there goes my dog getting all muddy. So it's looking a little bit better after this rain. It'll be even better, and hopefully next weekend I can get in here and till it up a little bit more, and it'll make it more refined, but I'm not sure because we're expecting rain later in the week, and if we do get it, it'll be just like this, and I can't get in there. But anyway, you can see it's looking much better than it did when it had that purple clover in there. So you can see things are looking up for the garden, especially out there in the raised bed, and you can see behind me that my garden is looking a little bit better. We are going to plant around the 3rd weekend of March, so we're about 5 weeks away, folks, from our planting time here in North Texas. So those of you that are following me in the area, get ready to plant. It's coming really, really quick. I'm going to go in there and get some more seeds on order and go through my pile and see what I got going on. Get ready. We pray for a good year this year. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, we ask that you subscribe to our channel. We have lots of great things coming up, especially for first-time gardeners. And we also ask that you click that like button. Take care. God bless. Have a wonderful weekend.